Well, we've been working with Cases Engineering now for almost a decade. They are one of the top sheet metal fabricators in the UK. And we've sought to revamp their website to a standard where it becomes their online shop, engages more viewers, and we managed to do that in terms of video production and photography, which has really helped them to portray that corporate image and to gain more customers online.
We started the custom design for Cases in November and launching in early March, so a very good turnaround for a custom website. One of my favourite parts about the website are the video banners on each side, which were taken by Will and Lee when they went to visit Cases. So the website's very clean to reflect the clean and hygienic sectors that Cases supply to, those being semiconductor market, medical and cryogenics. So hopefully for Cases, this website will last them another 10 years.